Hectare by Hectare, the ultimate game changer.
Welcome everyone, I'm Blessing Yogon from Adasami and Rivercom Consortium, and I'm here to take you through the executive summary of the Hectare by Hectare program. Hectare by Hectare is a unique and innovative agricultural initiative conceptualized and developed with the core mission of promoting employment, wealth creation, financial inclusion, general public awareness, and value reorientation through agriculture and agribusiness. The core objectives of the program include providing access to land, finance, technical expertise, and market for stakeholders interested in farming and food processing. It also provides the risk opportunities for all adult Africans to participate in agriculture and agribusiness under 48 well-defined stakeholder categories. It also provides end-to-end solutions for all types of transactions under the agriculture and agribusiness space. The Hectare by Hectare mission statement is all about new ideas and processes to disrupt agriculture and agribusiness practices as we know it. It was designed to remove the impediments and contradictions that mitigate against agriculture and agribusiness from occupying its pride of place in the economy of most African countries. So let's dive into the program.
General objectives of the program: to provide access to technical expertise, finance, market, and fair pricing for rural farmers, to provide sustainable revenue to landowners, participating communities, local government councils, and state governments, to provide additional revenue to landowners, participating communities, local government councils, and state governments through the voluntary carbon market, to provide practical and sustainable community-based security solution for farming in rural areas, to promote financial inclusion and poverty reduction through agriculture and agribusiness, to promote sustainable agriculture and food security in Africa, to promote environmental protection, community policing, and crime reduction through agriculture and agribusiness, to promote the reduction of rural-urban migration induced by unemployment and lack of opportunities in rural areas. Enablers: 1. Robust legal framework. 2. 36 fit-for-purpose agreements. 3. Critical transaction documents. 4. Operational policies and guidelines. 5. 6 purpose-built software applications. 6. 14 key market penetration tools. 7. 1 promotional book. 8. Adasami Logistics Services.
The program is designed to be implemented by Adasami Development Company Limited, ADCL, and other members of Adasami and Rivercom Consortium in the whole of Africa through a franchising model. Now, this entails the appointment of one franchise company for each country, and one sub-franchise company for each state or region, and one franchise cooperative society for each community within a given region or state.
When fully operational in a territory, that is a state or region, it is projected that the program, through its 5 schemes, will engage a minimum of 200,000 persons as participants within the territory.
Let's look at the 5 schemes of the program. We've got the Adasami Farm Estate Scheme, the Adasami Outgrower Scheme, the Adasami and Rivercom Food Court Scheme. We've got the Adasami Premium Discount Scheme and the Hectare by Hectare Volunteer Scheme.
Adasami Farm Estate Scheme. Through this scheme, Hectare by Hectare farm estates are developed in rural communities on behalf of proxy farmers for the cultivation of food and agricultural raw materials on any required large scale based on offtake contracts from food processors and large-scale commodity dealers. Sustainable revenue is provided for landowners, participating communities, local government councils, and state governments, in addition to extra revenue created for all through the voluntary carbon market. Our land aggregation and partnership model, developed under this scheme, grants us easy access to any size of land anywhere in Africa. Our unique and de-risked funding model, developed under this scheme, enables us to raise funds required for any large-scale farming. Adasomi Outgrower Scheme. Through this scheme, existing rural farmers, proxy farmers, and outgrowers are incorporated into the program and given access to technical support, finance, market, and fair pricing for their produce. Pre-qualified individuals are trained as farmers or food processors and allocated space within hectare-by-hectare farm clusters and given access to technical support, finance, and market. Farms are developed in schools, thereby providing more food, extra income to staff, revenue to participating schools, and practical learning experience for the students. Our community warehousing initiative, developed under this scheme, guarantees fair pricing and produce offtake for outgrowers in rural communities. Adasomi and Rivercom Food Court Scheme. Through this scheme, several Rivercom food courts are developed in urban areas to stimulate and create more opportunities for organized offtake of food and agricultural raw materials farmed and processed within the hectare-by-hectare value chain. Rivercom food courts are also established in tertiary institutions across Africa, thereby enabling the supply of affordable food to students and providing opportunities for extra income for staff of the institution. In this regard, existing refectories are also refurbished and converted to Rivercom food courts. Opportunities are created for all adult Africans to invest as value partners to own fractional interest in Rivercom food courts and earn daily income from food and beverages sold at the food courts. Small and medium income food vendors are without payment of rent, allocated fully equipped kitchens to operate in Rivercom food courts. Adasomi Premium Discount Scheme. Through this scheme, food is supplied directly from farmers, outgrowers, and food processors through local sub-consolidators at below market price to primary off-takers. That's individual consumers, food vendors operating at Rivercom food courts, hotels, restaurants, consumer cooperative societies within Africa. Hectare-by-hectare food credit initiative enables any willing primary off-taker to enjoy a credit period of 35 to 180 days on payment for supplies. Massive inflow of foreign exchange is achieved through direct supply of farm produce and processed food to Africans living in the diaspora through diaspora sub-consolidators. In pursuance of the hectare-by-hectare wealth distribution mandate, farm-to-home agents, mostly unemployed youths, are continuously empowered through the award of premium discount supply and forward contracts created under the entire program for supply and offtakes of inputs, machineries, farm produce, and processed food. Inspired by an age-long traditional practice in most African societies, like the Esusu and Ajo, which involves monthly contributions by participants, the hectare-by-hectare cooperative system presents a unique cooperative model for aggregation of resources towards investment in agriculture, agribusiness, and real estate. The hectare-by-hectare cooperatives management app, which also seamlessly incorporates existing cooperative societies into the program, is a comprehensive digital platform designed to simplify and modernize the management of cooperative societies in Africa. It empowers cooperative administrators with powerful tools for financial tracking, member management, and operational transparency, while providing the members real-time financial insights and up-to-date view of their investment status and cooperative's financial health. Hectare-by-hectare volunteer scheme. As compensation for access to economic empowerment granted to them, farm-to-home agents through the hectare-by-hectare volunteer scheme managed by Adasomi Foundation, ADF, provide volunteering service in their respective communities. The number of contract lots secured by each farm-to-home agent is determined by the level of voluntary community services rendered by his or her farm-to-home cooperative society. Insurance support for the program. Our partnership with Nigeria Agricultural Insurance Corporation, NAIC, and other insurance partners across Africa ensure that every transaction under the program is de-risked and secured with the right insurance policy or policies. Logistics support for the program. Hectare by Hectare is an enterprise of significant proportion, and the logistics services of the entire program is exclusively reserved and managed by Adasomi Logistics Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of ADCL. The value-added chain being created under 5 schemes of the Hectare by Hectare program needs unlocking through e-commerce and reliable last-mile delivery solutions, which the Adasomi logistics system was designed to provide. The framework of Adasomi Logistics is a scalable, asset-light structure with its technology platform supporting transport and distribution, warehousing, supply chain management, and customer relations management. The use of sub-consolidators and electric-powered tricycles for last-mile deliveries within each established cluster achieves remarkable reduction in cost of logistics.
Join the Hectare by Hectare program today. Hectare by Hectare is truly the ultimate game changer.